Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for deep learning. Today we are going to continue with some basics. That is, today we have to see what is mean by dropout, and we need it's a simple example followed by recurrent neural network and long short-term memory. So these are topics are very yes, that means there will be a lot of content is there. Today I'm going to explain some of the basics because once you want to train with the deep learning, these models will helpful for you. The dropout. So dropout is generally a method that refers to dropping out the nodes that may be an input and or hidden layer. And here the base when it's come to the point of dropout, the forward and backward connections with the dropped node are temporarily removed here, and it is helpful to create new network followed by the parent network also. And example, and we say example, suppose there be a multiple people is there, you are going to assign a same problem, each person give a best solution. So from the out of 4 or 5 persons you can collect and select the best solution. That is the one where you can consider for the dropout. This is the architecture. This is standard neural network net under the after applying dropout. Moreover, these are helpful to avoid the overfitting issues also. So these are some important points about the dropout here. Let's go on to the recurrent neural network. What is recurrent neural network? Is one of the deep neural network trained based on the training, or what we can say means sequence or time series data. And also it helpful to create a machine learning model that can sequential predictions or conclusions based on the sequence inputs. And there are a number of benefits there when it's compared to the recurrent neural network. And what are the drawbacks in the previous, that is feed forward network? These are solved by the sought out by the recurrent neural network. That means, first of all, it is helpful to handle the, that means that RNN architecture helpful to handle the sequential data and helpful to accept the input data, current input data, and also previously received inputs also. And moreover, it can easily memorize previous inputs due to their internal memory system also. And we can use the RNN for tasks like language translation, text generation, especially can say example chatbots, because how brilliantly today chatbots can answer queries. Let's see the architecture. Generally, this RNN consists of a layers, that is same input layers and followed by the hidden layers, some hidden layers, hidden layer 1, hidden layer 2, and so on. At last, it ends with the output layer also. Same, it's all our connectivity. So information passed through the hidden layer, and after the outcomes are generated from the help of output layer only, where it consists of a prelude and action with the soft method. Let's move on to the next one. Long short-term memory. This is the one of the familiar neural network intended and helpful to resolve the problems of RNN. And this LLM helpful to resolve the vanishing gradient problem. And here, this will definitely helpful to resolve the many problems where faced with the RNN concept. And example, you can say sentiment analysis. Apart from this, we can use this long short-term memory for machine translation as well as the video analysis also. Let's move on the diagram. This is the small architecture concept of long short-term memory. Here, the input gate is there. It controls the flow of information into the memory cell. And the forget gate is there. See, generally it's concept of input gate followed by forget gate, output gate, cell state, and hidden state also. And these everything have some useful. The input gate controls the flow of information into the memory cell, and the forget gate controls easily the flow of information out of the memory cell here. And here the output gate controls the flow of information out of the LSTM and into the output here. So there will be a lot of applications there with the help of LSTM. Language simulation, just I told you this also, sentiment analysis also. So I hope that you have idea about this topic. That means what is mean by dropout and what is mean by RNN and what is by LSTM. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.